Stars Botog himself, Kuya Alan Sancol. Hello po.
Hello, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Yung tanong ko lang sa'yo, para dun sa question ni Albert, di ba? If, sabi mo nga, medyo mas mahirap mag-love life ngayong sikat ka na, di ba? Pero ikaw ba, para alam din ng fans mo, what is your ideal partner?
Bakit mo?
Nakawisan ako. Pero, you know, the standard naman. I think it's very common to, syempre yung mabait. Mabait, you know, mamahalin ng parents ko. Mamahalin ng fans. Ang parents yung fans mo talaga yung first love ko. And, yun, mabait.
Siyempre, alam mo naman yung mga fans ngayon, di ba? Pero may mga talagang in love sa kanilang mga idol. Medyo fairy tale question ko. Kung sakali mo may in love sa yung fans, will you entertain it or not?
Oo naman. Siyempre, kung mabait. Pero yeah, of course, you know, siyempre, I don't know. I mean, ang answer ko talaga is I don't know kasi unfair naman po sa akin yun. Sila kilala ako. Ako hindi ko pa masyadong. So, kung baga may pagka-imbalance doon. But yeah, kung pasok sa standards, why not? Mabait. Mabait. Mabait number one. Mabait.
What is the sum of your love life? What is the sum of your life?
Of course, it's very different po with how I, you know, lived life before. Kumbaga, you know, it's different kapag may lumalapit sa'yo, tapos kilala ka po, may mga picture. Sobrang kailangan, you know, you're very careful din with the people who are around you. So, yun, kumbaga, mas may respeto lang po talaga sa sarili right now since I was able to build naman din my name out of, you know, all the hard work.
Yung question ko pa, pag magaling ka daw na singer, magaling ka rin daw mag-acting. Will you consider entering acting career if given a chance?
Actually, if I'm not wrong, there were also inquiries with acting, pero I don't really see myself talaga, you know, memorizing scripts and, you know, trying to show emotion. But yeah, I do it with my music videos, pero hanggang doon na lang po talaga siguro ngayon. But, you know, maybe soon, magbago po yung isip ko, why not?
Kung magbago yung isip mo, sino yung gusto mo maging kaparehas soon? Kung may chance na makapartner on screen.
Ay, gusto ko po kasi role yung criminal po.
Hindi na po siya para sa probinsya.
Papas nga po. Sino yung gusto mo humuli sa'yo kung criminal ka?
Sino? Oh, siguro sino dapat lalayo po si Coco Martin.
Last na lang, isang tricky question na related to Seven Sense, di ba? Kung ano lang naman to, kung sakali lang, dun sa Seven Sense na yun, kung merong isang sense na mawawala sa'yo, ano yung pipiliin mo dun sa Seven Sense na yun? At bakit?
Hirap, di ko ito na brief. Siguro yung sense of smell na lang. Siguro, since ako po kasi talaga yung tao na mahilig talaga tumingin. As in with the sight, I love looking at surroundings ko talaga. So yung talaga yung keep ko, I love, you know, feeling things to touch din. So kumbaga kung may mawala sa akin, siguro yung sense of smell na.
Kung ano naman yung i-improve mo at yung pinakamatinding senses, ano yun? Na gusto mong ma-improve or parang
I mean, aside sa sense of sight po, since yung eyes ko po hindi na po okay, siguro yung, ano ba, sense of, sa taste po siguro. Since I don't explore with food, so I think that's something that I want to improve. I want to explore.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you. I love that question.
Your sense of taste, what is a food that you want to explore this year?
Siguro, actually, di pa, I mean, it sounds so weird, pero never pa ako nakatry ng tao.
What?
Oo, totoo yung promise, never pa ako nakatry ng tao.
Okay, sige. Di ka mag-order pa lang isang
Yes, pero yun, gusto ko matry talaga.
Ako, number one. Okay, next. Sense of hearing. A song or a genre that you want to test besides rock.
Oh, I think I really want to explore pa more R&B since, syempre, diba, the sex is pero gusto ko naman i-try yun. Why not?
Ready na for mature roles. Okay, next naman. Sense of sight. A place that you want to perform and see this year, 2025.
Siguro, out of the country, I really want to go back to Indonesia. Kasi sobrang first time ko ma-feel din talaga every time. I mean, every time I perform, you know, the love is there. But sobrang, nung nag-perform ako sa Indonesia, I really was myself. Kasi sobrang, of course the pressure was there, but when I was on stage, na kumbaga, I was really just MRLD and Mariel at the same time. So I really love that feeling.
Last two senses tayo, di ba guys? Okay, next sense of smell. Favorite perfume mo this 2025?
Oh, actually, I own it. It's from Tambourines. It's called...
Kamo?
Yeah! So, yun yung perfume ko ngayon.
Sip ko ng perfume. Okay.
Yeah, I love that scent.
Okay, bongga. Last one, sense of touch. Besides EJ Monterde, someone that you want to, you know, makapiling mo to feature in your next songs for 2025.
Oh, I really want to work with Maki since we're close friends and, you know, kumbaga, yung genre namin di naman masyadong magkalayo. So yeah, why not? It's possible, I promise.
Bughal featuring MRLD. Hey! Okay, before we end, of course, last...
Talk. Maraming salamat po. And also, yeah, I would love to plug my concert. It's this April 27th. Live at Skydome, you know, tickets are available via SM Tickets. And yes, sana pumunta kayo, you know, we have a lot in store. And you're gonna hear the album live for the first time. Hindi, my album comes out later. Siguro mga 7 hours left. And it's gonna be released. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.